This is separate leg stretching pose. Dandayamana, Bibhaktapada, Paschimotthanasana. It benefits the whole body, but especially the legs, the stretching of the legs and the spine, and it builds arm strength and good for the brain and the heart. Inhale, bring the arms overhead. Exhale, big wide step to the right, arms down parallel to the floor. If you're new to this, you usually don't take a wide enough step. Take a little wider step. Toes in, heels out a little bit. So at a minimum, your feet are pointing straight forward, but a little bit in if you can. If you do experience sciatica, toes can be slightly out. Now, nice strong legs here, lifting up those kneecaps, engaging the quads. Inhale, stretch up tall, belly wall pulls in, and on the exhale, nice and slow exhale, coming forward with a flat back, straight spine, like a nice, beautiful swan dive. Flat back, and then reach for the heels. And sometimes people can't reach their heels, and that's okay, but you can try to get as close as you can to your heels. Cupping the heels like Lili is here with the palms of the hand. And Amelia is working to get her hands behind her heels maybe someday. But right now she's going for the outside of her foot, which is fine. And then the elbows are coming again around behind, trying to come around behind. And spine is absolutely straight. Lili has a nice straight spine here, so she's able to drop the crown of the head down to the floor. Legs straight, spine straight. And Amelia is lifting her chin and looking at the floor because that helps to teach this upper back to flatten and straighten. Kneecaps lifted, weight slightly forward, tailbone and hips lifting, belly firm, using the arm strength. Gently exhaling a little deeper over time so you don't pull any muscles. Be very mindful. Hold it, lots of blood flow into the brain here, and then release. Bring the arms out, lift the belly wall, and come up nice and slow like you went in with a flat back, straight spine. Hold the breath in here, arms overhead, feet together, and exhale, arms down, and let that blood flow out of the brain.